One of the things that we like to include with our settlement demands, that packet of information that we send over to the defendants, the nursing homes, their insurers, to try and resolve the case. One of the things that we really like to include are videotaped interviews with our clients, with the family members of the resident. And well, the most basic element of the settlement demand is going to include some statement about the harms that the family has felt. It's going to include some statement about what they observed, the care or the lack of care that they saw at the nursing home. That's absolutely something that should be in the settlement demand, but what really grabs the attention and really helps to convey the human element of that information is to have your client tell the story themselves, to videotape that conversation and send it to the defendants so that they can see that human element behind just the information on the page. And they can see for themselves how your client is going to present in front of a jury when they're telling their story. They can see the hurt from the loss that they felt. They can understand much more clearly about the resident, what kind of person they were. It's an important and powerful way to make sure that the complete picture is understood by the defendants and that they have a complete understanding that this is a case that will be compelling. It is a story being told by people who will be well received by a jury, and they need to give serious consideration to resolving the case before we get in front of a jury who's going to receive our clients well. You don't get to communicate that to an adjuster or to a defense attorney by just putting pieces of information on a paper. Having your clients tell the story, that's much more effective. And that's why we like to include that in our settlement demands. It's something that we do quite a bit.